For any business owner that need a transparent, fast and reliable app to monitor their staff, HAUZ is the best at the moment. Assalamualaikum dan selamat petang. My name is Haris and I'm the Managing Director of AJS Maju Services Sdn Bhd. Our company specializes in cleaning services. We started off since 2014 and we have around 200 workers working with us. We supply throughout Malaysia. We have some projects in Penang, we have some projects in Johor, but most of it in Klang Valley area. Our Made For You services is a service where we serve both residential and commercial customers. Our customers no need to prepare anything regarding the equipments, the tools with the very good quality is supplied by us. So customer only need to sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, if there's any client interested in our service, they can always log into our website, which is www.madeforyou.com.my. So there's two ways you can talk to our customer service, and also you can book by yourself via online. It's that simple. Previously, to be honest, it's quite difficult for us because to handle and monitor 200 staff is not easy by doing through a manual method. So when HAUZ person in charge approached to me and explained to me about this app, I was quite excited to use this because it is very easy for us to monitor, and also there will be no falsification of documents or data that we will face. Okay, the features that we like the most is the geolocation. For example, if the staff said they have arrived at the site, but actually they don't, but they scan the barcode, so we know that they are not at that location. So from there we can take a necessary action. I have to know what's happening in case if any clients or customer ask me about the situation. I know what's happening around. Actually, I've gone through quite bad experience with my previous service provider. When we tell them what's the problem, they came back to us around 3 days after that. But the issue is we need to solve the problem now because tomorrow is the next day operation, So like HAUZ, when we contact them, even at night time, they straight away reply us and they solve our problem on the spot. That's what I like about this app. My personal opinion is this HAUZ app is really helpful, So for any business owner that need a transparent, fast and reliable app to monitor their staff or focusing on the HR part of the company, HAUZ is the best at the moment because I've tried few others and I think HAUZ the best.